at 20 weeks. And I said, there's a problem with your baby.
I watched my wife's childbirth. I give birth, not her birth, obviously.
Yeah. But he has something called prune belly syndrome. And what's the first thing you do?
Google.
Biggest mistake. We would have to put our hands in the machine to feed him, change him. He was connected to all these wires.
How's it going?
And I was like, it's my Chris. I feel a lump and I'm seeing her and she's doing the ultrasound. Which abda yimbiden. Just tell me. I need to know what's wrong because I had Henry to take care of.
Bro, you're cool.
You too. Whenever she's sick, I take care of her.
That's so cute when you touch her face. Sorry, I'm a big softie.
I got the antidepressants and I accidentally took more than I should have. I was in the car with Henry. I couldn't drive. I was seeing like everything, like the roads dropping. I was terrified.
Was there any point where you thought, how do I go on?
I'd rather be in traffic than sitting in that fucking blue chair next to my son's hospital bed.
ملك لقنا